Video, I will explain to you how to solve equation in different way. For example, I have this equation 3x plus 2 equal 15. So I will try now to solve the same question in different way, which is 3x plus 2 equal 15. The first way is to multiply 3 by the x and then go back to the 3 and multiply it by 2. And this step, we call it in math distributive property of equity. And the result will be something like this. 3 times x, so 3 times x, which is equal to 3x, then 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 6 equal to 15. The second step, we need now to subtract 6 from both sides, and this property, we call it in math subtraction property of equity. Now, when we have 6 and negative 6, so we cancel it together. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So we end up by taking down the 3x like this. So we end up with 3x equal to, now 15 minus 6, which is equal to 9, and we take it down. Okay, the next step is dividing this side by 3 and dividing this side by 3, and we call this property in this step the division property of equity. In this case, we can cancel the 3 with the 3, so we end up with x, taking x down. So we have x equal to, now 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. So in this case, x equal 3. This is the first method to solve the problem. Let's go to see the second method. In the second method, we can divide by 3 this side, and this side we can divide it by 3. Of course, we call this property as division property of equity. Now we can cancel the 3 with the 3. We end up with x plus 2. We take it down. So here we have x plus 2 equal to, now we have 15 divided by 3, which is equal to 5. We take the 5 down. Now the second step, we take 2 from this side and we take 2 from this side, and this property, we call it in math subtraction property of equity. Now, as we see, that we can cancel 2 with 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So we end up with the x. Take it down. So we have x equal to now 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. We take it down and the answer is 3. We can see that the method on the left with 3 steps reach to the answer 3. And the method on the right has just 2 steps and we end with the same answer, which is a 3. We can, of course, check the answer. So we can check the answer by substituting x or 3 for x like this. So we will take 3x plus 2. So we have 3x plus 2 equal 15. Now 3, substitute 3 for x, which is 3 plus 2. To make it obvious, we can choose another color. 3. Okay, equal to. Now 3 plus 2, which is equal 5. Then 3 times 5 equal to 15. So this is equal 15. So that's mean when we substitute 3, we end up with 15. So that's mean our solution is right. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you get the idea and get some of the examples that can help you to learn more about solving equation. See you guys in next videos.